Hello everyone. It's Charity Oland with Fountain Mortgage, and I'm here with Future Proof. In my new swag, we got new Fountain Mortgage shirts, logo on the front. Let's see if I can get turned around here. Our tagline on the back. They're super soft, they're super cozy. Everybody's really happy with them. So great summer addition to our swag closet. So welcome, and you are joining us in the first of a series that we are kicking off today. We're 6 months in to 2020, if you can believe it. We are done with June. We have 6 months left to go. And we are going to talk about your digital marketing checklist. We have talked a lot about different components of your digital marketing strategy, but we've never really housed it all in one easy to follow checklist that will get you to the basic level that you need to be to market your real estate business or any small business for that point. So please stay tuned over the next several weeks as we work through this together. When you can check all of these off, you'll be strong in your marketing game on the digital side. You'll know exactly where you're headed and how to use it. What is step number one or item number one on our checklist? Well, that is claiming your address. And I don't mean your physical address. We're talking about digital marketing. So I'm talking about your digital address. Most brokerages provide real estate agents with a website, but it's typically brokeragename.realtorname.com or realtorname.brokeragename.com. And that's great, that's fine. But what you really want is to claim your own brand and your own address. When people are searching for you on Google, when they are looking for you across social media, you need to have that address that reflects your name and your business. So if you have a common name, you might need to get a little bit more creative. If you have a unique name, this should be fairly easy. What do I mean by your address? I mean that domain name. And what do I mean by that? I mean a URL or the www.something.com. If you don't have one of those on your own, you need to claim that. So where do you do it? You can go to GoDaddy.com is the one that I most often use. Or if you are building a website on your own, which we'll talk about later, don't start that yet, with a site such as Squarespace, a website builder, or Wix, those programs build in a way to register your domain name. So it's super important to do this. You don't want anyone else getting it. You know, things change. You might move around in your career. You might start a whole new business, and you will still have your name registered. It will help launch everything else that we're going to be talking about in the upcoming weeks, including email. It will be your email address, so yourname@yourname.com. For example, if your name is Kelly Schweitzenberger, you would be kelly@kellysschweitzenberger.com once you've claimed that domain name. So that is item number one on our checklist. I thank you for joining me today. We will get all of this compiled and in a document that we can send along with these videos, but please join us next week when I want to make sure that you've checked item number one off your list, and we'll talk about what to do next now that you have that domain name. Again, I hope to see you soon. I hope you all are well. Thanks.